As we wrap up Oktoberfest here in the Test Kitchen, I want to leave you with a classic German dessert that's named after the Danube River, which runs through Germany. You see, the cake has a marbled, wavy look to it, and it goes together like this. We start by preparing a box of vanilla cake mix according to the package directions. We pour half of the batter into a 9x13 pan and mix the rest of it with a bit of cocoa powder. Then we pour that over the vanilla batter. We top that with some can-pitted dark cherries that we drained. We'll press them into the batter, and into the oven it goes. While it's baking, we make an easy-to-throw together buttery vanilla pudding that's irresistible. Once the cake cools, we'll spoon the pudding over it and let it chill. And to take this over the top, we finish it with a rich chocolate frosting that's swirled to look like the waves of the Danube River. To get the recipe for what we call German wave cake, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Fraulein Kelly here in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a chocolatey cherry delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Second piece already, huh? Ach, das schmeckt.